Hi everyone, I'm Joy, a YouTuber focused on improve living quality and make life more convenient. This is my smart home hub. I bought it with $21. It's small and simple design. This is the power port with micro input, and the working current is 5 volts and 1 ampere. It have packed the power line and socket together. Except the power port, you just can find a switch on it. It's reset and matching switch, and you're ready to use it. Just connect to power, the hub will be work, and then open the Mi app. Press the add. You will find this device. Launch with your Wi-Fi and bind it with room tag. You can use it. It plays a role to connect your appliance and sensors to your smart home system. It has a big quantity canned sensors to connect in this app, like body sensor, door and window sensor, light sensor, smart door lock, TV, clean robot, and other devices. It connects all Mi's products you can buy from Xiaomi and if they have connectivity. The hub has 3 communication protocols. These are Mesh, Bluetooth, and zigbee. Bluetooth is one-way communication protocol for sensor to send detect data to the hub. Then the hub can send orders by Mesh and zigbee to other devices based on sensor's data. Mesh need the network keep online, and if your network breaks down, Mesh will out of work. In this situation, zigbee communication protocol starts to show its power. It can communicate zigbee device and sensors without network, and keep control automatically setting that you built before. Like this. I have turned off my Wi-Fi. No internet will work in this time. This is wireless switch with zigbee protocol, and when I press it, my home lights still under control. Because most Apple HomeKit devices use the zigbee protocol, so you can connect both Mi's app and Apple HomeKit through this hub. If you want to use Apple HomeKit, you need to prepare an iPad or a HomePod Mini as control center. After you prepare this, you can use iOS to control smart home system. Hub is the first step to build a home system. After complete it, we can add other smart devices to home system. So let's look forward to the next improvement. I'm Joy, a YouTuber focused on improve living quality, and see you soon.